Dr. Zakir, something which seems on the surface of it to be very, very simple, but maybe not. Does eating and drinking, whilst fasting, is it considered to be a major sin?
Eating and drinking while fasting intentionally, deliberately, is a major sin. If anyone eats intentionally while fasting, it is a major sin. And that person has to repent to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and he has to make up for that fast later on after the Ramadan. And this food, whether it enters through the mouth, nourishment, it breaks the fast, or if any liquid enters through the nose, that too breaks the fast, according to the Hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is mentioned in Sunan Abu Dawud, volume number 2, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 2360, where the Prophet said that when you're doing wudu, you snuff the water in your nose excessively, except while fasting. This gives the indication that the water enters the nose and it enters the throat and goes into the stomach. That breaks the fast. So, but naturally, any drink, any liquid that enters the nose and then goes into the stomach through the throat, that too invalidates the fast. But if someone eats or drinks unintentionally out of forgetfulness, then the fast does not break. And this happens many a times the first few days of Ramadan. People are so used to getting up and eating, and drinking water, going to the kitchen. So the first few days, it does happen with some people that they forget and they have the water, or they eat not knowing that they're fasting. So if a person unintentionally or out of forgetfulness drinks or eats, the fast has to be completed, it's not invalidated. This is again according to the Hadith of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which is mentioned in Sahih Bukhari, volume number 3, in the book of fasting, Hadith number 1933, where the beloved Prophet said that if a person eats or drinks unintentionally, he should complete his fast. And what he has eaten and drunk, it is from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And our beloved Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam also said, it's mentioned in Ibn Majah, volume number 3, Hadith number 2043, as well as 2045. Our beloved Prophet said that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has excused my ummah from forgetfulness, from mistakes, and if something is forced on them. If something is done out of mistake, out of forgetfulness, out of compulsion, Allah excuses you. So only intentionally eating and drinking breaks the fast, and it's a major sin.
Thank goodness for the mercy of Allah.
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.